In this section, we'll delve into the concept of positive affirmations and their profound impact on mental well-being. Positive affirmations have the potential to rewire the brain for positivity, fostering a more optimistic outlook on life. This can lead to improved self-confidence, self-esteem, and resilience in facing challenges. By consistently practicing positive affirmations, individuals can experience a positive shift in their thought patterns, resulting in a more empowering mindset. This section will emphasize the transformative power of affirmations in promoting mental well-being and cultivating a more positive inner dialogue. This section focuses on the process of identifying specific areas in one's life that can benefit from positive affirmations. By targeting key aspects such as career, relationships, health, and self-esteem, individuals can tailor their affirmations to address specific areas of growth and improvement. For example, affirmations related to career can center around professional success and confidence, while those focused on relationships may aim to enhance communication and harmony. By recognizing these specific areas, individuals can customize their affirmations to align with their personal goals and aspirations, fostering holistic and targeted personal development. This section offers a comprehensive guide to crafting personalized affirmations that deeply resonate with individual needs and aspirations. Crafting personalized affirmations involves creating statements that are specific, positive, and expressed in the present tense. By providing examples and valuable tips, individuals can learn to formulate affirmations that are tailored to their unique circumstances and goals. For instance, examples may illustrate how to structure affirmations for confidence, success, or emotional well-being. This segment empowers individuals to develop affirmations that align with their personal journey, encouraging a positive and proactive mindset. In this segment, practical strategies for seamlessly integrating affirmations into daily routines are explored. Techniques such as visualization, repetition, and utilizing tools like affirmation cards or sticky notes are discussed. Visualization involves vividly imagining the desired outcome associated with the affirmation, reinforcing its impact. Repetition plays a crucial role in affirmations, solidifying their influence over time. Additionally, the use of physical reminders such as affirmation cards or sticky notes serves as constant reinforcement throughout the day. This section provides valuable insights on incorporating affirmations into daily life, making their practice accessible and impactful. This final section emphasizes the significance of maintaining consistency and adapting affirmation routines over time. Consistency is crucial for the effectiveness of affirmations, emphasizing the need for regular practice. Additionally, guidance on staying motivated and making necessary adjustments as personal circumstances evolve is provided. By acknowledging the dynamic nature of personal growth, individuals are encouraged to evolve their affirmation routines to align with their changing goals and experiences. This segment offers valuable insights into the long-term sustainability and adaptability of affirmation practices, empowering individuals to continually nurture their mental and emotional well-being.